Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. Today in this video I am going to review a beautiful page builder plugin, and the plugin name is Pagelayer. Pagelayer is drag and drop website builder, and you can easily create a WordPress website with this plugin. Now in today's video I am going to share the root of this Pagelayer plugin. After that I'll talk about the features, pricing and resources. After that I'll move to the related resource, and finally I'll talk some insight and my personal opinion. So let's get started. Well, so Pagelayer plugin is made by Pagelayer team. We'll move to the website later, but before that let's see what are the information org is giving us. Right, so this plugin already has 200 active installation, which is good number, and in the rating section it has 5-star ratings in most case, but it also contains some 4-star, 3-star and 1-star rating. Right, the description is quite impressive. They describe every features very briefly. Now let's move to their website. So this is their website. They already describe the features. Pagelayer you can use for editor, for design, for widgets and theme builder. So I'll add this link in the description box. If you want to check them in details, you can check them by visiting that link. Right, so let's see their pricing. Alright, so Pagelayer plugin, the pricing for personal is $39 USD and professional plan is $75. Business plan is $199 USD. Now in my opinion, like for personal, 39 is quite good, impressive. Now let's move to the compare between Pagelayer free and pro version. See, the pro version is containing most of the features, unfortunately, and the free version they have only drag and drop page builder and 30 basic widgets. Right, so if you want to get the full experience, professional experience from Pagelayer, then the pro version is only applicable for you. Now this Pagelayer has a nice YouTube channel, so if you need some information you can get from their YouTube channel. And let's see the analytics for the plugin Pagelayer. It has total 3 million downloads from their 200 active installation. I already described. Growth rate, it's not that much good, 0.2%. Support rate is quite good. This plugin took 2 years to get 200k active installation. Right, so in my opinion, if you are a new user, if you want to build something drag and drop, then you can try Pagelayer. And if you are a theme developer or plugin developer, then I think you should go for hardcode or the ready-made theme. But the good thing is this Pagelayer also has theme builder. So if you think that you want to build some theme, then you can use Pagelayer. Now that's all about today's video. We'll back with another plugin review in next. Till then, tata.